posting. Let us force channels to control paths. Move me, nails stick to odds. Operation, no consistent switching. And the girl rivals.
Order asserts within buried layers of structural force rules. Lower zones beneath the main systems. Pressure channels movement into control pathways. Systems align under embedded hierarchy. No delay, permitted sequence advances through regulated cycles. Layer system integrate under continuous governance flow. Motion channels through confined routes. Output stabilizes within structured control cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated enforcement logic. Every unit responds to impose structure. No deviation tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic regulation. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under lower structural command.
Governance intensifies through control routes. Force aligns direction precisely. Pressure drive continuous enforcement. No delay interrupts. Struck governance cycles pathways lock under enforced structure. Pulls under reinforced battery. Reinforced pad output stabilizes within related alignment. System maintains operational flow.
Sustain governance, maintain order through reinforced regulation cycles, pressures continue under enforced. No disruption, no just sequence output stabilizers to control pathways. Governance extends through sustaining enforcement. Every process aligns with imposed jerk. No fracture interrupts operational consistency. System expand under continuous direction. No force within defined zones. Authority maintains struck dominance through regulated execution.
Replication, no regression, less inflation, no relation, no relation, no aggression, no aggression, integration. Stop oasis when temperature, a fire alignment under the poles with regulation, no
structure. Sequence initiates within buried districts as temporal control. Regulate cycles beneath dense structural layers. Pressure channels movement in a measured pathway. Systems align under control hierarchy, no delay. Permitted sequence advance through time progression cycles. Layer system integrate under continuous interval flow. Motion channels through confined routes. Output stabilizes within structured timing cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated herbal logic. Every unit responds to impose sequence. No deviation tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic timing control. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under regulated temporal origin. Time in need, desperate temporal force. Govern system flow. Authority stands some measured pathways. Not coming force under rules. Under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced, under not coming force under rules. Under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced. Not coming force under rules. Under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced. Not coming force under rules. Under reinforced, under reinforced, under reinforced. Not coming force drives time beneath district temple force govern system flow authority extends through measured pathways. Time beneath district temple force govern system flow authority extends through measured pathways. On the reinforce on sustain timing.
I am wounded. That's still recharging.
Base conversion initiates within buried layers as governing force transforms into foundational any dominant systems. Pressure channels moving in the grounded pathways. Systems align under embedded hierarchy, no delay. Permitted sequence consolidation cycles. Layer system integrate into continuous formation flow. Motion channels through confined routes. Output stabilizers with instruction foundation cycles. Hierarchy pumps through calculated conversion logic. Every unit responds to imposed base. No deviation tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies through systemic consolidation. Dominance sustains continuous operation. Alignment on the foundation is oration.
Conversion intensifies through rebellious direction.
Compression intensifies through granite force annihilation.
Direction, oscillation of thoughts.
Compression intensifies through granite force annihilation.
Operate with interdelayed formation.
Compression intensifies through ever restore.
Dacing conversion, maintain the rough to reinforce consolidation cycle. Pressures continue under enforced base. No disruption, auto sequence output stabilizes through control pathways. Conversion extends through sustained enforcement. Every process aligns with imposture. No fracture interrupts operation. No consistency, system to expand under continuous direction. No force within defined zones. Authority maintains.
Dominant is the regulated execution command. Pressure stays direction locks into fixed pathways. System into file under goals. Conversion no releasing the block compresses within the stream performs.
Compression intensifies to revel restoration.
Conversion intensifies through the response annihilation.
Force generation of the rational fight.
Conversion intensifies through the response annihilation.
Direction of thought locked within delayed information.